Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Wednesday and let's get right into the charts. Bitcoin is right now dropping below our volume profile. As you can see right here, we are basically dropping and bouncing from the weekly S1 after losing the value area low and the Monday low. As you can see right here, Bitcoin is down around 3.5% for the day. You can see right here we did touch the weekly pivot this morning, but right now we are down from the weekly pivot around 3.5%. Nothing crazy right here. The stock market actually did have quite a nice rally. The S&P 500 got back above the yearly open level and we did manage to break straight through the Monday high and the weekly pivot into that monthly open region. Same thing goes for the Nasdaq. As you can see, we got a breakthrough above the weekly pivot. We did not quite reach the yearly open level, but still very nice move for the equities basically and the stock market. The dollar is also having a break towards the upside. It did look like it's going to be continuing this uptrend on the daily time frame. As you can see as well, I talked about we could potentially reach that yearly open level and we are just a couple of percents away from reaching it. But other than that, let's get back to Bitcoin. You can see right here, if we look on the macro chart, basically Bitcoin is still consolidating right here. We are trading lower. Everybody I have told you has been wanting to long this level, but I am still patiently waiting for that 63k. It could be basically a revisit of this fair value gap that we have left right here and a retest of that POC that we have. Now it is possible a more bearish scenario that we drop down and then get a bearish retest and we start trading in a new range, which is basically even lower than the previous range of 2024 during the summer. It is very possible for that to play out, but still our weekly RSI is very oversold right here and it is very possible for Bitcoin to get a bounce in the coming next weeks. Ethereum, same thing right here, looking very bearish on the hard time frames, but still we are right now into support. Don't get overly bearish at support. Basically, I could see us bouncing from here, even if we get a scam week towards the downside, basically something like this to play out for it. Same thing going on right here for Solana. We could see the lows getting swept before we actually see a short squeeze happening. Hype is right now testing the monthly pivot right here, as you can see, currently trading at $28. Sui is same thing right here, basically looking very bad. Most of the altcoins do. This is why I don't cover them right now. If you want me to look at some of your altcoins and give you my opinion, of course not a financial advice, let me know in the comments below. But other than that, let's look at the open interest for Bitcoin. We are having price going down while open interest going up, which is not a good sign, as you know. Typically this signals a bearish momentum continuation, but this could be different this time, as we did actually grab our liquidity to the downside and we could potentially head higher to grab the liquidity which we left above 70k, but we still have like liquidity cluster all the way down towards 63.5k. This is my target for a potential long positions. Fear and Greed Index remaining at 12, basically nothing new here for the past month. We did have for the spot ETFs a bearish day, as you can see right here, 104 million of outflow with BlackRock selling the most. Long versus shorts ratio for the day, we have of course more seller, as I have told you. Looking with this open interest and price action, you could very well tell that there are more sellers in the markets. We did have our news for the day and tomorrow it's not going to be that interesting of news. The next big news events are going to be on Friday, so watch out for February the 20th on Friday. It's going to be very volatile and be careful trading on this day. And I do think that this covers it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.